What is up, people? We are filming another video today. We are with Cole over here and Jen, who's having a moment. We are meeting up with a few people, I think. I don't know exactly how many. We're gonna go just cruise around downtown Houston. I haven't done that in a very long time. And yeah, it should be fun. Feels really good today, so we decided to just hop on the bike. So Jen is on a 2024 CX6. I'm pretty sure it's a 24. Yeah, and she just got a new exhaust, so I think she's pretty happy. And then Cole, you already know, on his CBR, looking spiffy as always. I don't think that's a car. Oh yeah, it is. We're just going to downtown. I don't know if we're gonna eat or if we're gonna cruise around, but let's get it, baby. So who here is actually gonna watch like the Super Bowl? Because I mean, these teams are whack, bro. 49ers and the Chiefs. I hope my boy Brock Purdy does 49ers right and takes it home, because dog, ever since Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift got together, they've just annoyed the shit out of me. I got money on the 49ers, so that's kind of why I hope they win, but I guess we'll have to see. Let's see if I can do some like sign language and communicate with this kid. Look this way, buddy. Look this way. Nice. Communication. I'm so mad because like last time we rode, we went to this gas station and everything at the gas station, like the 87 and all that shit, was backwards to what I'm normally used to. So I accidentally clicked 87 thinking I clicked 93, and I filled my tank up with 87 like a kumquat. So it should mostly be out of the tank by now, but yeah, it was stupid. I was so mad. I think we picked up a few unexpected people. I'm not sure who they are. I don't know what's going on. I'm literally just here. But we have an R3, a ZX6, CBR 600, CBR 1000, and there's a S1K behind me and some sort of like cruiser. Only one in white gear, man. I should have worn my leathers. It's the GOAT! The GOAT! Mr. Cole. I find it so funny when people full tuck, like going the speed limit or whatever, like all the way at the front to block out from the wind. That shit's so funny for me. What is going on? There's traffic here, and I don't know what to do other than split right through. That's pretty good. That was like some like CMA type stuff right there. Ooh. Hello. Damn. That's clean. Okay, so say like at your job, for the people who work, right? When you have PTO, when your weekends start going by super quick, that's how you know you're due for a vacation. Is that just me? Because like right now my weekends are going super fast and I feel like I'm due for like a week off. There's a cop. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just following people. Oh no. Now we're heading to a different spot because Cole's bike is messed up. It won't shift down. So we're gonna go and take a look at it somewhere else. So we can get off the freeway. I don't even know where I am. This is cool.
Shit was loud as fuck. It's straight pipe, right?
Huh?
Straight pipe?
Yeah, full system.
Mine's not.
Yeah, mine's an Acura full system.
Oh, okay, half.
You wanna do this one? Good job. Good job. Yeah, so we're heading to another spot. I think we're going to the graffiti walls. But yeah, this vlog is literally, I don't even know what's going on. I couldn't even tell you. But his bike broke. Now his bike's fixed. We gained another guy. I don't know what's going on. This is the most confusing vlog I've ever done. But hey, it's all part of the journey. All right. I don't even know if we're on the road. Like I don't understand any of this. It's a cemetery. Sleep. I don't know where I am, dog. And this light is taking forever. Oh, speaking of. Speak it into existence if there's something you learned today.
Surprise, motherfucker.
We got him! Okay. Oh god. That boy was coming in fast for that corner. Houston! haven't been down here in a minute. I think the last time I came down this road was Cars and Coffee. I hate one-way streets, bro. If I was leading this, we would have been lost like 10 years ago. Graffiti wall.
Huh?
You want to take an angel picture?
That's a lot of work.
I've already hit the limit, so I'm good.
Alright, we're hitting one more spot. And then we're getting out of here and we're going home. I met a lot of cool people, so it was alright. I love this bike. I love it. I love it. Love it. But we're done with this ride. Just making it home now. Oh, we got a full ticket gas. That bitch heavy.